so we're gonna transfer everything else over to the new bumper. So we're gonna transfer the fog lights, the fog light cover, the middle grille, and the other fog light over. So to start off with the fog light, turn the bumper over. If you come to this side right here, you're gonna see this like prongs. Just push it in like that. Same on the other side right here. Push it in like that. There's gonna be 4 of them. That's how you get one of those fog light covers off. To get the actual fog light off, get like a flathead screwdriver right here, right? So support the fog light down here so it doesn't fall down. Push this down. And right here's another prong. So like right here, you push it in like that, and that should release the fog light. Be careful this thing doesn't pop back in. There you go. You got one of your fog lights right there. So you just repeat the same process on the other side. This one, the fog light fell off, so we don't even have to take it off. So same thing over here. Support the fog light. Push down right here. Push down right here. And right here, release that clip. There you go. So you remove that fog light cover. Alright guys, so on the middle grill, you're gonna have to remove this 10mm bolt right here. So get a socket wrench with a 10mm on there. I just like to use my hands to unscrew it all the way. Same thing on the other side. Alright. And now to completely remove the grill, you're going to see these prongs right here. So you basically get your hand, go underneath the fog light. I mean, not the fog light, the grill. While you're pushing to the side of this, you're pushing up, just like that. I guess it's easier to go to the top side than the bottom side, so we'll do that now. Alright, there you go. Got that off. Alright, so the last thing would be to take off these, I guess they're like clip holders. I really don't know the technical term for them, but you basically just pry up on them, take them off like that. On the bottom, like that. I'm missing one right here. our new bumper ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with putting the grill. So line it up with the prongs. So remember, the screw right here, you gotta put it underneath the bumper. So this flap right here, put it underneath the flap. And you just go ahead and push it down. Alright, there you go, secure. We're going to go ahead and put the 10mm bolts back on where it belongs. We got that grill back on. Make sure it's tight. It's good. I'm gonna go ahead and do the fog lights now. Let's see. Oh, it's tricky. Which one it is? That one's for that side. So on the fog lights, you're going to see indicators is left, the L, and the other one has a right. So left side's always for the driver's side. Same way you got it out. Make sure you line it up with this. So it's trickier to put it back in. Get a flathead screwdriver. Might be easier if we flip it upside down. Yeah, a lot easier this way. There you go. Gotta push it down. Now it's secure. A lot easier to turn it upside down, I guess. The fog lights coming back on. Lighting up up with the hole in the prongs. There you go. Same thing on this side. Make sure this part goes right in this hole. There you go. Push it in. Same thing. So it looks like put this side in first, like so. And then line up with the prongs. Secure. So one last thing is going to go ahead and put these side clips back in. So remember, this part right here goes right here. Just like that. And these are going to be underneath, just like that. Like missing one. There. Okay. The bumper is complete. We can go ahead and install it. Alright guys, so we installed that 2008 Toyota 4Runner front bumper. If you guys need any pre-paint auto body parts, go to www.ReveMoto.com. If you guys like this video, go ahead and subscribe to us. If you guys go ahead and turn on that push notification to get more videos from us. We just do a weekly video. Thank you guys.